Okay, hello. Sorry I look like crap. I'm sick and stuff. But it's been requested that I show my dog Marley. She is half wolf, like a quarter pit bull and quarter German shepherd. So I'm gonna go find her now. Also, does this look like me? I drew it. She's getting some detail. Does it look like me? When I normally have my makeup on, like my wings and whatnot. See, I got my two little face freckles there too, my nose piercing. I put the ring on and... Does that look like me? Please tell me. Okay, let's go find Marley. I really miss a fuss. Marley! That's normal. He's got an owie, so I had to shave it and clean it. Say hi, Nemo. Oh, you're sleepy. Okay. I think Marley might be downstairs. This is Chino. Say hi, baby. He's still a kitten. He's almost a year old, though. Say hi. Oh, Nemo. I love how you sleep sometimes. He's so cute and funny. Are you a good boy? I don't know where Missy and Marley is. Oh, I have a bunch of salamanders and frogs up there. I'm getting a hamster soon. Let's see. Okay, my brother's sleeping. This is Marley. This is Missy. Come on, Marley. Marley, come on. Mama, come on. Go. Okay, this is Marley. No, stop running. Marley, come here. Okay, fine. Let's go in the bathroom. This light. Come on, Mama. Ah! Marley, come here. Ah! Come on. You're scared of the dark. No, you're not. You're just being a butthead. Okay, this is Marley. Say hi, baby. Hug it. Mama. Hug it. Marley. Marley. Stop it. Dog. Ah. I gotta clean the bathroom. Marley, up. Marley. Mama, up. Marley. Hug you. Hug you. Come on, hug it. Oh, there's my pretty girl. There's my pretty girl. You're hurting me. Oh, it's the camera. So this is Mama. Her wolf doesn't show too much, but it shows an incredibly amount when she's angry. Her fur will spike, and her ears will go completely up like a wolf's, and her eyes will get bloodshot, and like with the dog, you know how when they growl, the gums show, but hers show like a bunch, like more than a dog. It shows like a wolf, and her stance is the way she creeps up and everything. She's so sneaky like a wolf, and she's beautiful. You're beautiful. Look at you. You're so beautiful, Marley. Her eyes used to be silver. Now they're brown. I remember when you were a puppy. You were so tiny. I could lift you. I began. I can still lift you, but it's so difficult. Oh yeah, her fur spikes too. It's like here, and it'd be sticking like all the way the hell up here, and then it's all the way down her spine and on her tail. That's where her fur spikes. She's such a little sweetheart, though. She's so protective, though, which is good. She'd kill anyone if they broke in. Marley? I can't whistle for shit. Come here! Hi. Come on, look the camera. Okay, don't look the camera, but yes. Look at you, you're so beautiful! Oh, you did lick the camera. Isn't she so pretty? Okay, we can go. You can go. You can go, baby. Oh, wait. Marley, let me see your chest real quick. Oh. No, roll. Get on you. Oh, my God, Marley. Oh, are you okay, baby? I got you. Don't freak out. Come here. I want to show them where you had the owie. Shake. Marley. Oh, okay. Ah! Oh, God. Mama. No. Ah. Look at you. Okay, I won't show them. Ah! She got bit by a hobo spider one day, and it got really infected, and her flesh started rotting. It's perfectly healed now. It has been for a while. She's so beautiful. We helped her. We don't take our animals. You got your head stuck in the door, idiot. Okay. We don't take our animals to the vet because we don't have the money for that. Yeah. So. Anyway, me and my mom were like house vets anyway. We know a lot about the medical field, and we have medicine all over our house. Oh, you like that? Yeah, different kind of medicines all over the house, so we can give them antibiotics and pain reliever pills and endurance stuff. We can give them all that kind of awesome jazz because we have all that stuff in the house. So yeah, I'm gonna go now because my throat. I'll probably make a video after this anyway, even though my throat's all blurred. But yeah, bye. Oh wait, I got birds. Let me show you my birds. Come here, babies. The yellow one right there, the yellow looking one, the one that has a yellow tint, that one is a kitty. He's a male. That one right there that has a green tint is Pickles. It's female. They're still really young. And she doesn't talk. She just chirps. He talks. Okay, you don't like the light. I get it. Good night. Okay, goodbye.